function type void. As we have to return more than one value, function can't return function name, sum, quantity, even, odd, descriptor, third, parameters, number, quantity, variables that we need, sum even, quantity even, sum odd, quantity odd. All variables will be initialized with 0 to save the previous value. Void sum, quantity even, odd, integer, and opening curly brace, and as we said, we'll have all variables that will take integer, sum even, quantity even, sum odd, quantity odd, initialized with 0. Take a for loop. There will be input of values by the user. Conditions are if number residue 2 equal 0, even number, sum even plus equal number, quantity even plus plus. Else, on the contrary, we have odd number. No need to write the condition. The condition will be if number residue 2 equal 1, that will be odd. We'll only have here sum odd equal sum odd plus number, quantity odd equal quantity odd plus 1. As we don't have to return any value, we have closing curly brace. A new method on how we write function is to write first function prototype, that will be void sum, quantity even, odd, and type of input parameter that is int. Writing prototype above main is meant. Now we'll continue with main function integer. Main will declare a variable integer n and will take the variable from the user. Printf give quantity of numbers, and there will be function called prototype here and as a parameter, and return 0. Now we write function void sum and quantity of even and odd numbers, integer number. All the variables are sum even, quantity even, sum odd, quantity odd, that will initialize with zeros, and number. But as we have number as a parameters, we don't write. That are the variables that we need. For loop. Inside for loop, we'll take the values. Now we have conditions. If number, we'll add here and the variable n, because we can't write two variables with the same name inside the function or inside two curly braces. If m %2 or residue equals 0, opening curly brace, we have here to do with even number, and we'll say sum even plus equal number and quantity even plus plus. Else, don't forget braces, as we have more than one instruction. Sum odd equal sum odd plus n. Quantity odd equal quantity odd plus 1. At least we need to print the result for the user. That was our function. Now we have only the result. Don't forget the number of curly braces, give the quantity of numbers, some random values, sum of even number are 8, sum of odd number are 3, quantity of even numbers and quantity of odd numbers is to be queried.
Your.Fastcode is an educational site and to inform about programming. Your.Fastcode consists of site on YouTube and blog, and it is also on social sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Your.Fastcode has extensive programming information and currently programming language C. The blog and YouTube explain topics such as simple exercises in C. Function in C, arrays in two-dimensional arrays in C, etc.